In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see your Steam password while you're logged in. This can be quite handy if you've forgotten your password and want to retrieve it without having to reset it. So let's dive right in. First up, you'll want to make sure you're on your Steam homepage. This is your starting point, so if you're not already there, go ahead and open up your Steam client or navigate to the Steam website and log in. Once you're comfortably on your Steam home, it's time to move on to the next step. Look to the top right corner of your window. You'll notice 3 vertical dots. This is a common icon used across many platforms to indicate additional options or settings. Go ahead and click on these 3 dots. This will open up a menu with several options for you to choose from. In the menu that appears, you'll need to find and click on Passwords and Autofill. This option is usually associated with managing your saved passwords and other autofill data that your browser or application might have stored. So click there to proceed. Now you should see an option for Google Password Manager. Click on this. The Google Password Manager is a secure tool that stores and retrieves passwords you've saved via your Google account. It's a very convenient way to manage passwords without having to remember them all individually. Once you're in the Google Password Manager, you'll see a search bar at the top. Go ahead and type Steam into this search bar. This will filter the saved password entries and bring up any passwords related to Steam that you've saved in the past. Finally, you'll be able to see your Steam password listed here. And just like that, you've retrieved your Steam password without needing to reset it. Remember that accessing your passwords should be done with care, especially if you're using a shared or public computer. Always ensure you're logged into a secure account and, if necessary, log out after you're done to maintain your security. And there you have it. You've successfully seen your Steam password while logged in. This process not only saves you time, but also keeps your gaming sessions uninterrupted. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials. See you next time.